Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a Western Kentucky soybean field where an international 1420 Axial-Flow Combine is harvesting the crop. During this video, I will share with you the combine's production history, specifications, and original price tag. I will also climb up in the cab to visit with the operator so that you can see what it's like to run a classic machine like this 1420. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear all the harvesting action. International Harvester introduced the rotary Axial-Flow Combine line in 1977. This style of threshing system has been in production for over 45 years and continues under the Case IH banner today. Initially, the company offered two 24-inch diameter rotary machines, a 135 horsepower, 145 bushel 1440, and a 175 horsepower, 180 bushel 1460. In 1978, a larger 30-inch diameter rotary combine, the Model 1480, joined the Axial-Flow line, offering 190 horsepower and a 208 bushel capacity. For model year 1981, International Harvester further expanded the Axial-Flow line to include a smaller Class 3 Model 1420 featuring a 20-inch diameter rotor. This combine is powered by an International Harvester D358 six-cylinder diesel engine rated at 124 horsepower. This combine features a hydrostatic transmission and is fitted with a 73.5-gallon diesel fuel tank. It is equipped with a 125 bushel grain tank that unloads through a 12-foot 3-inch unloading auger at 1.6 bushels per second. A standard corn and soybean or small grain 1420 Axial-Flow Combine rolled out of the International Harvester plant in East Moline, Illinois, weighing in at 15,400 pounds. The original price tag for this combine was $63,730. The 1420 Axial-Flow Combine harvesting soybeans in this video is a rice special model. Customers could order a Model 1480, 1460, and 1420 from International Harvester with heavier duty components in high wear areas on the combine. These components stood up better and lasted longer in harvesting the abrasive crop. The 1420 Rice Special weighed an additional 1,095 pounds and came with a price tag of $68,430. Thanks for the ride.
Hey, no problem. Ain't the heavy load.
It's a great looking combine.
Looks pretty good for a tank.
So what size header are you running on this?
15-foot flex header.
See all the controls over here? This combine?
It's been almost 20 years.
Well, it looks like it's in great shape. It's doing a nice job out here.
It definitely earns its keep here, that's for sure.
I noticed it was a rice special. That makes it kind of rare, even for a 1420.
Yeah, I know it. I won't say originally, but I know at some point in time it started out early in its time in Tennessee somewhere. I assume far west Tennessee. I guess. So I'm not exactly sure where it was prior to that.
Well, you definitely don't see 1420s every day, you had mentioned this one has a few extra components in it as well, or options on it.
It's got the third lift cylinder. I don't know if because it was a Rice special that it came that way, or somebody special ordered the third lift cylinder. And I don't know whether the turbo came when they ordered it from the factory that way, or somebody added it later and had the turbo when we had it. And I've never talked to anybody else that ever had one with a turbo. I know they didn't come that way, but whether or not you can special order one, I'm not sure.
Rice is an abrasive, big green crop, so I imagine all the power you can get.
Yeah, I would say so. I've been told, but I don't know exactly what the output is, but a 1420 with a turbo is pretty much equivalent to a 1440. Might even be a little more power, probably not more than 5 horsepower. It's kind of run along with it.
I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time in this Western Kentucky soybean field with this International 1420 Axial-Flow Combine. Does your farming operation use a smaller size combine or a specialty combine like this Rice Special? I'd like to hear about it in the comments section below this video. And if you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.